Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Jerry with Relax Garden, and today I am potting up some plants for the patio. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. So let me show you what plants I have. There's a little plant haul. I bought these at Home Depot. So anyway, this is the first one. Check this out. It is $5.98. Little ivy. Look at that, cute little leaves. It is called Little Hermann Hedera Helix. It tolerates bright light, not direct sunlight. And like I said, this is going to be on the patio. Let me turn that. This is on the. Oh, there we go. This is on the patio, so it will be in a brightly lit patio, but no direct sunlight. And that's what it is. Let me share this with you. Look at that. And the perfect. Look at that. All right. So that's the first one. Little Helix, Little Hermann. That's what it's called. The next one is same thing. Let's show that first. Okay, and it is Pothos, Pearls, and Jade. So this is, look at that. There we go. Anyway, hope you can see that. That is beautiful. I love that. It's a Pothos Ivy. Look at that color. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely beautiful. Again, it requires bright indirect light, so that's exactly what it's going to get. Well lit patio. It will not be in the direct sunlight because I can imagine this would just burn up. So anyway, that's the second one. And the third one is, oh, I don't have a tag. Okay, well, again, it's $5.98. And that's all I have. If you know what this is, let me know. Look at that. Yeah, if you know what that is, please let me know. It is, I just love it. The leaves are waxy, they're kind of thick, but I love the way they look. It looks really nice. Wow, I wish I knew. Again, they're all from Angel Plants by Costa Farms. So anyway, that's the third one. And they're going to go in these pots that I have. I've had these little pots, these little containers for a very long time. Look at that. I worked retail. I managed several stores at once. And Silvestri is a company we used to buy a lot of products from and sell in the shops that I managed and bought for. And this is, look at that. Isn't that a pretty little pot? Comes with its own saucer. They have holes in them, so they're perfect. Most decorative pots don't, but this one does. Look at that. It is from, and I've had these since the 90s. Hannibel's is the line, and it's by an artist, Jana Elstab, and it was done for Silvestri. Let me see if you can see that. Anyway, does anybody remember Silvestri? Does anybody even know what I'm talking about, or is this just something that matters to me? Anyway, I think they're cute, they're fun, and I think that little ivy looks perfect in it. What do you think? The next one is, of course, the one that I did not have a label for, but yeah, I think that'll look great in that little pot, don't you think? God, I love those pots. They're so cool. Anyway, so that will go in there. I think that'll be perfect. Again, it comes with its own little, saucer. Cute little pot. It's got little seashells across the top. And of course, its own hole, a drain hole. So anyway, there's that one. And the third one, but not the last one. I think it's really cool. Look at that. I think that is a perfect combination. Don't you think? Yellow and orange. Look at that up close. Is that cute? And then the little ivy. And here's the saucer. Yeah. Anyway, just a blast from the past for me. Look at that. I think it's beautiful. Anyway, let me pot them up. So, yes, I think our rain is done. I think all our rains are done. I need to get out here and clean this patio now. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Look at that. Not root bound. It's perfect. I'm going to tease this out just a little. Look at that. Very nice. It's going to be very happy in this new pot. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks good. Too cute. And that one was the little Hermann Ivy. So we're going to put that tag back in there. Next one up is, let me get rid of that, is the no-name one. I wish I knew the name. I don't know how I did that. Oh, well. If you know the name, let me know. Again, I had these sitting in a tray of water, so they're nicely hydrated. And the roots look really good. Well, this one, yeah. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Is that cute? Very, very cute. And then the last one, and certainly not the least, is this one. I think this has got to be my favorite. Let's get some dirt in here. Not dirt, I'm using a potting mix. So here we go. Yeah. Very nice. I had some, actually, let me show you. Was it I think it was last year. I had some, I bought some more of these little, they're called desk plants. I think I've seen them advertised that way. Perfect little plants, perfect for your desk at work. I certainly had some when I was working, little plants on my desk. Look at that. This is my favorite. This has got to be my favorite. I love that. But yeah, so anyway, so there they are. Before I go on to my next, look at that. Too cute. Let me turn this down so you can see all of them. There we go. Look at that. There they are. Look at these three. Is that too cute? Very cute. Anyway, so I had, let me put this label back in there. Last summer I had, I purchased some of these and did the same thing. And in a year, look at this, way over here. This is almost as tall as I am. Let me bring you over. Check this out. This, look at this. This is a China doll. Look at how big it is. And I kept the tag. Yeah. China doll. And it's as tall as I am, if not taller. Check that out. Is that the coolest looking thing? So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Here we go. Look at that. Plants for the patio. And again, if you know the name of this, let me know in the comments. Thank you. I appreciate it. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, give me a heart, do all the stuff. Thank you.